we're gonna like kick monkeys.
Manong. Third up.
Just arrived here in Balesin and it's a sunny day.
What? I mean, at least our own place.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Okay, little backstory or background. We're here in Balesin. For those who don't know what Balesin is, it's like a exclusive island where members can go. And we're not members though. Yeah, we're not members though. Our dad's friend is a member and he's the one who brought us here. And I went here like back in 2018 with my cousins because they sponsored me. So yeah, basically each village or area of Balesin has a theme per country or per city per se. Like for example, there's a Greek village, so that's a Mykonos village. And then we're staying in Costa del Sol. That's the Spanish village. And then there's Toscana, French, Saint-Tropez, etc. So yeah. Right now we're going to the Mykonos one. I see it now. I'll show you guys. Right there. So take stop. Go straight. So beautiful. Okay, so we're here in the Mykonos village area and it's so pretty how everything's built. I'm gonna take a photo here. I'm a slave. I'm gonna take a photo right here.
What is it?
It's day 2 and we're gonna go to the French village to eat crepes. Just took photos in this outfit. We're at Saint-Tropez. Yeah. My hair. We're eating lunch now in the Thai place.
You want Auntie?
This is my outfit.
Shit, it's gonna be hard to get out of the way of that part.
We're going back to the room to chill, maybe. And I'm gonna remove this because I'm done taking a video in this. Oh my gosh, this is ours. It's like in between rocks.
Yeah, that's why. That's how we park.
How are we gonna get out? The fuck?
Yeah, but we can just park somewhere else. He's like, no. We park here.
Someone stole my shoes. Oh, my bangs. Okay, I just left my extra.
Can we like go
here.
down and look, please?
Yeah, it got gloomy. It was sunny, very sunny this morning. Yeah, let's see. Let's see her reverse game. Go.
Am I gonna hit something to you though?
No. Turn going out now. You can turn going out now.
Like here?
Yeah, yeah. Go.
Right.
It's fine. There's lots of space.
Wow, Kyla. Lots of space.
Yeah, on this
You
side.
drive. I'm gonna
Oh shit.
Lots of space.
Yeah, why aren't you looking there? I'm on the other side.
But it doesn't pay anything. I don't think I've collected the check pa nga since I started. I just susunod natin yung when I get started, I think I'm moving my...
We're at the Chinese restaurant. for dinner.
Here, stay here, guys.
Ano yung first TikTok picture daw? First IG.
Picture.
Ito yung first picture ni Ando sa IG.
Napapakadyo siya ng college niya.
Thank you.
I'll get copyrighted. So this is the kids' table.
Awesome! You're the only one that has said
This is loud kid over here.
Yung post niyo ba?
Stop! Yes, it is!
You won't stop talking. Keeps moving the, what do you call this? Lazy Susan. It's called Lazy Susan, literally.
Spinning table.
The spinning table. Yeah. And I don't know. He's just so loud. And I just ate duck. Had some duck, fried rice, like one piece shawmai. What else did I eat? Sweet and sour pork. And now we're having champagne. Cheers. Tomorrow's our last day. Wait, what did I do today? So today we went to the French place. I showed you guys last. And then we went to the Thai place for lunch. After the Thai place, we went to Bali. Oh, I forgot to vlog that. But that was where we were yesterday. I wasn't in the mood because I decided to get gloomy. So I was in the Bali village and on the beach. I took some TikToks. And then I was just chilling in the ocean by myself for like 30 minutes. Yeah. I'll show some clips there and I'll post the TikTok soon. Took a lot of photos today. I'll show you the photos I took. See you tomorrow. I don't know if we're doing exactly.
The bombs.
I don't know if we're doing exactly.
An amazing replica!
I mean, airport na lang.
We're going to leave now. Well, not really. We're gonna have lunch first or brunch. And then our flight's at 2:30. This is the Spanish restaurant. We ate here our first night, but I didn't video it. But yeah, it's like okay lang here. Here's the outside of Costa del Sol pala. I don't know where this vlog is going. I'm not sure if it's gonna be interesting or fun. I'll see how it's gonna look when I edit it. But yeah, just took some pictures with our digicam. We're gonna have our last meal here. Yeah, I'm excited to show you all of the pictures I took. Yeah, don't forget to follow my Instagram at Kyla Javier. See all my pics and my TikTok, Kyla Sucks. I guess from now it's just gonna be the montage going home. Okay, bye.
Hello? Yeah. Okay,
I'm gonna try the sweet potato chips. I'm gonna board the plane. That's the plan, I think. But yeah, bye. Thanks for watching the vlog. Hope you enjoyed.
She ain't got no money, her clothes are kind of fun.